What's up, Fit Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight we're actually heading on over to a car show. This one is for elite tuners, so I'm gonna go check them out. They started, I think, a couple hours ago, but they still got probably another 5 hours of the show left or something like that, because it's supposed to be a pretty late show. So let me go ahead and get ready to head on over there. As you can see, it's getting a little dark. But yeah, just getting off of work, so let's go ahead and head on over there and see who we see. Alright, just getting here, hearing some car shenanigans over that way. Look at that. Making it too hot over there. I've seen a couple dope cars in the parking lot. I'm gonna have to defog this lens here in a second. But yeah, let's just go ahead and head on over. I ain't gonna try to get all these because there's so many. But yeah, they was doing way too much. Sound like when they was leaving, they drifted around the corner too. But I wouldn't be surprised if cops was waiting for them. But these are pretty dope. Not official spots, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I lucked out and found a spot as soon as I came in. Oh yeah, and you know the drill. Let me know what car is your favorite. And if you see anybody you know, let them know about the video. Well, I was trying to get him turning, but he was taking too long.
I start racing to see what's up.
Alright, let's see who we got. I got a couple homies here, so I'm definitely gonna have to find them. Gonna be messaging one here pretty soon. I'm gonna have to throw the mask on because I'm getting close to people. Sorry, can't zoom with this lens. But some dope cars out here too. Oh, GTR section. Nice. Just gonna stop right there when somebody try and get out. Hold on, let me put my mask on. Alright, here we go. Nice Q60 here at the Injuku booth. And that 240 is clean. Very clean. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Godzilla. I want that spec right there. The white one. That's clean. Somebody's smoking out here. That's pretty clean. Sorry. Ooh, that's clean. I feel like I just seen this one somewhere too. Tomater. I'm gonna have to say what's up to the homies. Make sure you follow. Yeah, it is pretty busy. But these are dope. Definitely caught my eye. If I had a Subaru, it would probably look like that. Where you at, TR? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and hit inside. I don't know how much y'all can hear with the mask on, the music, the noise and everything. These are just the regular cars that they have. They actually have an auto museum that way, but the car show is this way. So I'm about to head this way. Alright, here we go. Sheesh. That's clean. Clean. I mean, I guess the inside, so of course they're gonna be clean. Got the Q50 bumper on it.
I got these for the record.
Ooh, definitely dope. And it's a convertible. Man. Getting harder and harder to choose a favorite. Harder and harder. Hey, I know whose car this is. Let me get the rest of the cars out here before we head in. Which seemed like they were way down there. Hey, know who car that is? Seen this one a lot. Everybody standing right in front of the cars, not moving. Alright, let's go ahead and head inside the show. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on the inside. I got a lot of homies here too. A lot of people I know in here. Okay. Let's see if they walking around or what. Sheesh, there's so many cars packed in this little area. That Accord was clean. I think I know. Alright. Got these. Let me get this. Sheesh. Hey, we know who this is. Team Lenzo is deep. Excuse me. thought there was some more show cars down here, but it doesn't look like it. A couple decent ones. I saw an R8. I mean R8. I saw a C8 at the other entrance, which I don't know how to get to from out here, but it was stopped. But yeah, take this mask off. The show is pretty good, pretty dope. Definitely a good show, and saw quite a few homies out here, and some people I haven't seen in a while, so that was dope as well. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.